Yeah, this just isn't it, Maybelline. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back to do another video. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Maybelline City Bronzer, and I have mine in the shade 300, which is deep, which I believe is the darkest one that they carry. I'm going to be reviewing this for you guys and let you guys know if it's brown girl friendly. If I'm looking a little oily, it's been about 6 hours since I filmed this video. I just sat down to edit and I didn't even do an intro. So I'm back to do an intro for you guys. But yeah, you guys, so if you guys want to see my thoughts on the Maybelline City Bronzer and see if it's brown girl friendly, then just keep on watching. Okay, you guys, so I have my foundation, pretty much everything on because I don't want to make this video too long, but I'm going to be reviewing the Maybelline City Bronzer. I have mine in the shade 300 Deep. This is the darkest one that they had. Well, darkest one I saw, but I did just check the website. I believe this is the darkest. I believe it only comes in 3 shades. So we're going to see how this works for me. You guys know I love my bronzer. So if I can find something else that I like other than the one I've been using, that'd be great. And this is what she looks like. Looking at it, she does look a little lighter than me. So I'm just going to use this brush from my black and white Morphe set. Normally I would use another brush for my bronzer, but that one already has bronzer on it, so I don't want to, you know, manipulate the color or anything. So you know what, we're just going to jump right in. Ain't no point of making this video longer than it has to be. So let's see, this is what she looked like on the brush. And as you guys can see right now, my face looks really flat. I need to bronze her, okay? So let's see. I don't know. So these not, no. Maybe if you were, I want to say 4 to 5 shades lighter than me, then maybe. But if you're my skin tone or a shade or 2 even lighter than me, this is not going to work. And I love me a good bronzer, but this is not deep. Why do they call it deep? So this is no, this is the shade deep. I'm usually deep, I think, but no, this is no good. This is no good. It probably make a nice powder though, because it looks like powder. Yeah, it probably would make a nice powder. But you know what? I'm going to go ahead and finish up my face with my normal products. And, you know, I'll be right back. Okay, guys, so I am back. My face is complete. Just something real simple and natural, because this is all about the bronzer. But, okay, you guys already know how I feel, but let me just finish this out. Ooh, the fingerprints really stay on this. This, baby, no. Baby, this is a no. Maybelline is one of my favorite, well, it is my favorite drugstore brand. But I really pray, hope, wishing that they come out with darker, deeper shades in this, because for this to be their darkest one, and I believe it is called Deep, I hope they come out with darker shades. I'm still rocking with Maybelline because I do think that they still, for the most part, hold it down for dark skinned girls. This was just a no baby. This was a no baby. But yeah, maybe next time. Better luck next time. But if you know you had a different experience with this, let me know below. I'm just saying, for my skin tone, I'm gonna say 2 shades, a little lighter maybe, still no, but deeper than me, gosh no. But this did, you know, look nice, like a nice powder, but it's definitely not a bronzer, baby. Not a bronzer for me anyway. And for it to be 2018, it's still a little annoying, a little frustrating to have to still like deal with these kind of things, because I know bronzers, I don't know if bronzers are hard to make for dark skin or what, but there's not many bronzers out there for dark skin. I know Bobbi Brown has some good ones. Morphe, you know, that's my baby. You know, but this one's just, it hasn't made it there yet. And Maybelline, you know, I know you can do it. Maybelline, I know you can do it. You've been doing it. I know you can do it. I'm just gonna need about 3 more shades. 3 more shades in this, and you know what? I will go purchase and I will try it out again. Yeah, this just isn't it, Maybelline. But yeah, you guys, thank you all so much for watching. If you guys know of any other products that you guys want me to try, please leave your suggestions below. But yeah, you guys, thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.